Hello and welcome back to Crazy Kernel YouTube. In this video, we'll be going over Python Lambda. Lambda in Python is basically an unknown function, so I'll be explaining that in this video. If you like it, remember to like and please subscribe. So we're going to start off with a variable name. I'm going to give A. Then we're going to give that variable some values and we're going to put lambda x. So basically x is another variable. Then I'm going to put our colon, and now we're going to put x, and then basically our mathematical function or anything, so x plus 1. But right now if I do print a and run that in our command prompt, that won't work because x plus 1, but we don't know what x is yet. So basically when we do our print statement, we do a, and then in another parentheses we're going to specify the value of x. So I'm going to give 5. So now if it worked, it should return 6. And it does. So that's what lambda is. And I'm going to go through one more example. A equal lambda x. Let me do multiplied by phi. So that's another mathematical function, asterisk for multiplication. And print a given the value of, let me give 6. Now this should return 30. And if it does, we've succeeded. Okay, and it does. So that's what Lambda is in Python. So thanks for watching and see you next time on Crazy Kernel YouTube.